Hello, my name is Carolina Parker. I was born and raised in El Salvador, and I have lived in the United States for about 17 years now. I am currently employed by Gwinnett County Public Schools. I work as the STEM specials teacher at Rebecca Minor Elementary. I focus on the science component of STEM. I also started the degree in instructional technology at KSU a couple years ago. I am in my last semester, and I have learned so much about technology and about becoming a facilitator of technology in my classroom as well as a coach for other teachers. It has definitely been a rewarding experience to learn so many amazing things about how technology can be used in the classroom. One of the biggest things in education today, especially in STEM, is to teach students how to collaborate, how to become critical thinkers, and how to become problem solvers. I believe technology and all its advances have allowed students and teachers to be more than ever connected and to provide enriching activities that will definitely make a lasting impression in their students. It would be my honor to work as an instructional technology coach because I believe I am passionate about technology and about everything it has to offer. For example, I believe the sky's the limit. I believe that all these innovations that are happening constantly in the world will allow us to be better teachers and better workers for future societies. I also believe that a school needs an instructional technology coach that is reliable and that believes in the field of technology, but also that can encourage teachers to become better at what they do. I believe that our profession is a profession in which we all need to help each other because it's already a very challenging profession. Therefore, we need to stick together for the well-being of the students. One of the most important things that I believe I have learned in this program is to know how much I can push myself. It has definitely been a learning experience. I have learned how to maneuver between my job and my classes, and I have become more disciplined, more knowledgeable, and more enthusiastic about my career, more than ever. I also believe that I have so much to offer now that I have learned all these amazing resources, and I cannot wait to continue to apply them in my classroom. My students love working with technology. They are very happy when they get to have a choice and also when they get to create something with technology that applies to their learning. They are more than ever willing to do anything that I ask them to do as long as they can create. And I think that word is so wonderful. To create is to change, is to innovate, is to become your own person and to be able to use what you think or what you dream of what you want to change and make it a reality. So I believe I have nothing but gains so far, and I am hoping that in the future I can be a coach at a school and continue to inspire teachers to do the same. Technology is amazing. It is changing lives. It is changing the way we communicate, but we should use it wisely and productively in order for it to not lose its essence, which is to help us be better in a better society. Thank you.